There's a cat in our town. He's the smartest cat around. He's got class and lots of style. He's full of catnip all the while. When he walks down the street, he's sort of sweeps you off your feet. When he's around, you know somehow things will be jumping here and now. He has been called the cat's meow. Come on and meet Top Cat, the most effectual top cat, whose intellectual close friends get to call him TC, providing it's with dignity. Top Cat, the indisputable leader of the gang. He's the boss, he's the king, but above everything, he's the most tip-top Top Cat. Yes, he's the boss, he's the king, but above everything, he's the most tip-top Top Cat. Now you know what we mean. He's the best we've ever seen. Action is his middle name. This cat is everything they claim. So if you need a friend, one who is faithful to the end, or get involved in big disputes, go with the best, no substitutes. Call for the modern Puss in Boots. Come on and meet Top Cat, the most effectual top cat, whose intellectual close friends get to call him TC, providing it's with dignity. Top Cat, the indisputable leader of the gang. He's the boss, he's the king, but above everything, he's the most tip-top Top Cat. Yes, he's the boss, he's the king, but above everything, he's the most tip-top